Hey guys, it's me and we're here gonna explore on this nature trail, and we're also gonna show you it. And we're kind of in the middle. We're by a creek, and this is where it leads to. All that. I want to get that other side. Yo, what's that? What's that? What's that? I don't know what that is, but we'll show you guys. We'll show you guys when we get to the cool part. Bye. Bro, we're on the nature trail. On the nature trail. On the nature trail. We're on the nature trail. Don't know why they call this a nature trail, because, well, it is in the nature, but it's concrete. So, yo, what the freak is that? You're going camping. What the freak is that? It's a squirrel. Look at that squirrel. Look at that squirrel. Okay, let's go. We'll see you guys when we're there. Guys, we're here. We're here, guys. Look at this beautiful view of just water. Dirty water. Yo, look at all that. Here, let's go over the sketchy thing. Oh God. Oh God. There's the water. If I fall, I'm gonna be dead. Well, I'm gonna get really wet. Yeah, you made it. Guys, what does this lead to?
That's my SP drain.
Guys, let's go. Guys, let's go. Let's go, let's go. You know, we take risks on this channel. Guys, what is this? Careful, there's a bridge right there. I tripped on the bridge. Yo, we just came from down there. Now we're up here again. Oh my God. Okay, bro, look. We can go up here. And then boom, we'll be safe. You know what? We take risks on this channel. We take real big risks. Real big risks to get good views. Looks like an animal hole. But look at this view of just nature. Pretty. Do you guys hear me go down there? Yeah, I'm gonna go down there. How should I get down there? Don't. You mushrooms. Okay. So, let's go down. You know what? We take risks on this channel. We take big risks on this channel. Big risks. As you can see, I could probably drop my phone and break it. Or I could fall and break my neck probably. But look at this view. Look at it. Just look at that. There's Nathan enjoying the view. There we go. What's up? Okay, how do I get back over? Just go through. Okay. Let's go back. Let's go back to where we came from. We came from like right down here, right? I think so. Because there's like this path That leads us down here. Yeah, we came this way. Because there's this big wrench. Go.
Where is it?
There. Right here. I'm stepping on it. Okay. We are finally down. That's where we were. And now we're going back.
Ow. Oh, what the?
What?
Look at that bug.
Bro, did I bring my knife with me? Okay, I brought my knife with me. Listen. You know what? We take risks for this channel. Look at all those. Bro, oh my god, look at that spiderweb. Oh my god, bro. Bro, look at that. Look at them. I think. I'm not sure, but that's going to be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed the videos. And try to get me to 10 views, please. And no, not 10 views, 10 subscribers. And 300 views. I don't care if it's just 310 subscribers. I don't care. I just want subscribers. Peace.